gaan weer terug.
Hey guys, welcome back. We have a wonderful weekend planned here at the Wilderness Gathering. It's a full weekend event with lots of stuff to do. I'm gonna make a leather pouch for my folding saw. I don't have it on me now, but I'm gonna make a pouch for that. I'm really enthusiastic about that. So yeah, let's go and have a look what they have for us in store here. There's so much to do here. Classes, 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 you see? Well, check the info box if you want to know more about it. Stand locations, rows of them.
Thanks for the tips. Like this is the Earl's little cabin here of the estate on which we are staying.
King. Lekker stukje vlees, jongen. Ah, dat is...
So good. But it's not the same. No. Never.
Nee, kijk, daarom heb ik de stoel bij me. You should smell the bacon. Hey, good morning. I decided to take a little hike and I noticed a lovely building here. Yeah, and there's a graveyard next to it. So, actually war graves. So let's go and see who saw the end of war. It's not stinging nettle, it looks a lot like it. What's this stuff here?
Oh, right, yeah. So, wake up. Yeah. Rocks and everything. So, when you take some whistles, the whistle jacket. Yeah.
It is then answered by 3. You blow 6, they blow 3, you blow 6. Eventually, you come together or you hyperventilate and collapse. Shake hands.
I have a little handout that I normally email you, you won't get it. But if you want to take a photo of it, basically it has a tool list at the bottom of it.
Oh, this is a good list.
But I make sure you're all making that.
You can literally have, you could,
Oh no, hang on, it's a thinner one. I used the next one up.
No, that can be free.
Is that 0.6 threads, this one?
It is, yes.
Yes, I use 1.2, so yeah. much
Wow, why do you use 1.2?
Because the straps I'm going through are bare cut. And actually I'm doing probably 6 mil stitches. And if I use...
Klaarmaken en in een Dutch oven, hè, dat giet ijzer ervan. Kooltjes eronder, kooltjes erboven. Dat is in orde. Nee, brood maakt.
Cause I used to love, yeah, but it's all over now. Half the world hates the other half, and half the world has all the food, and half the world lies down and quietly dies. There ain't no more taking everything from beneath him.
Dat is goed. Wel een naast. En deze? Ja, oké, goed. Nee, ik wil niet zo net uithangen. Ja, oké, trek het open. Dat is goed.
Dus wel gekleurd daar.
Ja, dat is donker, dat is niet erg. Dat is goed. Dat is niet meer wit. Dat is perfect eetbaar. Dus als er ooit bacteriën en niks zijn, dan zijn ze dood.
Als je nog
Dus
omgedraaid
als we doorsnijden, moeten we wel met snack afsnijden. Hoeveel heb je zo praat? Nee. Ja.
Hilarisch goed.
It's makkelijk. Got the windmill on top there. This is a beautiful park, by the way, guys. And see, I distanced myself a little bit from the event. I have a really nice quiet spot here to do the last sewing I need to do on this knife sheet here. And then it's complete. This will be for my folding saw. Right, so this is what we're doing. We're using 2 needles to go through these holes here that we previously made in it. And we're almost done. I just thought I'd show you halfway through. And I'm really happy with the result already. Here's the final result of my folding saw. Really like how that came along. And I got a lot of compliments for it, even from some professional leather workers. So that's really awesome, of course.
The next thing you need to do is to get the guts out. Now that's already been done. Normally that's done straight away. Apparently, if you're going to eat people, vegetarians actually taste better. So I've heard.
well, sorry vegans.
Well, vegans probably taste better. so they could well be the same age, but they're very different styles. So this one's much thinner, it's made on flake, this one is kind of chunky. So they haven't been assessed fully properly yet, although I did get to show them to Phil Harding, which
I was going to say,
very
that's
exciting.
Phil Harding
But
saying
he didn't really say, he didn't really see both of them. So, who's Phil Harding? Is that boys or girls?
Girls.
Your dad has.
No, girls is always So that is the whole heart, but you notice there's a bag around it. There's this layer, that's called the pericardium. So on medical dramas, if they say, oh, he needs a pericardiocentesis, what's happened is the heart's been damaged and it's bleeding into the gap between this bag and the heart, and you have to stick a needle in and suck that blood out because it's stopping the heart from expanding. That bag is waterproof and very strong. So it was traditionally used as a tobacco pouch by the Plains Indians. Because if you imagine, you know, the bison is sacred, or whichever animal is your chosen sacred animal, you're using the thing that held the beating heart of your special animal.
This is a hog roast. I especially like the applesauce too. It was good stuff.
Ja, ik weet het net graag.
And fire and venison stew.
Gaat die, hè?
Met een tripod.
Het klimaat van de provincie. Je hebt een onderrondje
Door.
Schande is dat.
Ja, en dan gaat het zo lang.
Kijk eens jongens, dat is een vleesje, of niet? Reetje. Mag ik een stukje pakken?
Absoluut, doe maar. Pas op voor de vingers.
De eerste pak ik, ja.
Het is warm, hè?
Ja, dankjewel.
100% af.
Nou, man.
Down, 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 when the waves went higher.
Gaat u dat überhaupt wel zien? Ja, oké.
Dat vind ik echt cool.
Hij zit er weer op. That was it for the weekend. Packing up and leaving ASAP.